What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today we're looking at phone stands. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come of tips and tricks on your iPhone and your Android. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. And here we go. So first of all, we're looking at IMSTAND and IMSTICK. So these are just a couple of phone stands that basically we can unbox today and see how well they work. So pretty easy unboxing here. Pretty much you just tear this up here like so. I'll let you see what's in there. And another thing, so there's two things that are in there. Let's toss that on the side for now. And the IMSTICK. I'll let you see inside before I do. So if you want to grab one yourself, I'll link this down in the description below. So go ahead and check that out for yourself. See, look at this. This is magnetic right here. Look at that. That's really strong, like on both sides. And then this middle part, I believe these goes in there. And you can use these as stands. This guy, on the other hand, let's peel this off. So as you can see here, this alone will give you the stand for your phone. So let's take off the plastic up here. Same with the back. There you go. So this can be attached to here. But the flexi things that we got, the blue and the yellow, we can go ahead and easily install it inside just like that. And this you can bring with you as easy as possible by twirling it inside just like that. So now with whatever your function might be, you'll be able to install this anywhere you want, just like that. So for example, you got your phone right here. All you need to do is attach the magnetic side on the back of this, peeling off the 3M and tossing it in the back of your phone. And there you go, ready to go. So now with this metal backing, this will be able to be stuck onto your sticky. So with this, you can then take this out, mold it to however you want it, and use it as a stand. Pretty easy. There you go. Toss it as a stand. So quick and easy. You can use it like that, and then once you're done, you can go ahead and roll it back again. So for the most part, I would just leave this behind here, because then you could use this. Remember, the pop sockets was a big thing. Now with this, you'll be able to do the same thing, so that you'll be able to hold your phone properly in the back of your hand, like so. See that? Or make a loop. Now you can use your phone one-handedly. There's a lot more functionalities, and we're going to show you that right now. Having this attached to this, and remember our IMSTICK will be able to stick that right there as well. So let's test it out. So basically all this is you attach it on your table just like that. You twirl it around till it's tight. Okay, now once you've attached that onto the table or whatever surface you're using that, you can use this to, you can flex this around, this stick right here, to however you want it, mold it to however you like. You can also attach this right here like a stand. You would put this behind here now, just like that. Let's say you were playing guitar or maybe watching a video. You're just sitting around like this, and you would attach your phone like so. Pretty easy. And it's pretty stable. It's not going to go anywhere. Even if you put this in your car, it's pretty stiff. Pretty strong device. You'll make an effort as well to mold that to however you like. So it is quite stable. This is pretty awesome. And that's it. So now you can watch a video. And now let's look at different scenarios.